viewers, welcome to my channel Angel Gabriel Tarots. This video I have converted in English, and the question is that Sushant will take rebirth as a girl or a boy. So when I asked from the spirit that whether he will take birth as a girl. So I will show you the cards which came out at that time. So at that time, these three cards came out which are negative. That means the spirit's answer is that Sushant Singh Rajput will not take birth as a girl, because this is the card. These all three cards are actually negative, and this is far away decision to take as a. This is the far away decision of the Sushant to take rebirth as a girl. It is a foolish thing. This is the card of Fool, and this is the issue card. That means there is some issue about this statement, that whether he will take as a girl. He will never take rebirth as a girl. These cards are negative. And when I asked, if you will see in that video, these three cards came out, and when I asked from the spirit that whether he will take birth as a boy, yes, this card came out, and this card shows that of love and fame. He will take birth as a very famous baby in a very well known and famous family, very rich and prosperous. That family will be very famous among people in the society all over the world. This is actually the completed world card, and this shows that he will take birth in a very famous family, and when he will take birth, he will get famous, and due to his good deeds, whatever he will do in that birth. That means this is the topmost positive card. It is very topmost positive card, and this shows that he will take birth as a boy. When I asked, this card came out, because usually I take out positive or negative card whenever I put these type of questions, yes or no form. When I ask that you will take birth as a girl, then the spirit answer is no. That means these three cards are negative. And when I asked that whether the Sushant will take birth as a boy, yes, this is the positive card came out. This is the card. This is showing the positive card, and this is, I will tell you, the topmost card. It is very positive card. It is very nice card. It is very positive. And when I asked the second question, which I put up in front of the spirit, that what is the message? Actually, what is the message? What for the what he wanted to say actually. So when I asked this from the spirit wanted to show that this is the card of reality actually. The spirits want to say that he is very much frustrated. Someone wanted to bite when he is alive as a crab. You can see here a crab with red color. There's a blood, and that means he has the killer of the Sushant is just like a crab who wanted to kill and wanted to murder. And this shows that this type of killer, this is the reality that Sushant is. This card also shows that spirit is very, very, frustrated, very angry, in a very angry mood. So this card shows that this is the reality, that the spirit is not happy. He is frustrated, and he has been killed and by the killer, and till now the killer is out of the CBI, and CBI is not able to catch the actual killer. Actually, this is the card of frustration actually towards the killers. And this card is of the woman, a goddess. This shows that any mother or any elder sister, this card shows that he is just now happy with his mother. This prediction already I have done in one of the video, that he is with Sushant is with his mother, and he is happy. But due to some issues, he is happy. He is with mother, and this shows, these cards are messaging that the killers of the Sushant are just showing themselves very good in the society, in the media, that they are very helpful, they are very kind. but actually they are on the back side, they have actually planned wrong things about Sushant. So this card shows the gossiping. That means to say something in front of the person as a everything good, and at the back side you just say bad words, or you plan something wrong about the person. So this card shows of the gossiping, something showing something. If I say frankly that people who are involved in this, in a wrong deed, they are showing something else. They are showing their image as a very good in the media, but actually they are the wrong persons. They are at the back, they will be thinking that some evidences should not come out in front of the CBI and all that. So this is very insulting. This is again the card of lady. This shows that the mother, this lady is feeling insult just now and not happy with whatever is going just now in the this process of the justice of the Sushant Singh Rajput. This, the mother is not happy actually, and this is I think the mother itself wanted to say that it is very very insulting that being such a good and nice person, Sushant Singh Rajput, and he is not able to get the justice due to some very powerful forces who are showing themselves good and actually they are bad from backside. And Sushant's spirit is just, you can say, making a very you can say force. This is the card of force to win something. He wanted to win. He wanted to fight for the justice. He himself is also fighting for the justice, and he will get. The spirit is showing that he will get the justice and he will win all of this. Whatever this is going on in the society, he wanted to say that in spite of this, all these wrong things are going in the society, whatever the killers are doing just now, still he will win and he will get the justice. The spirit is saying this, but it is very very hard work for Sushant's spirit also to do the justice. We all want justice. This is the only, or you can say, main aim, the purpose, and the purpose of this soul is also, the spirit is also the same. So this is the message which he showed. And when I asked that what is the other message for the viewers, then here the message is, the cards which came out, the first card which came out is of a prince. If we will see in that video, the message for the viewers, that he is just now getting love and affection and from all of you, and he is very happy, and he is just thinking, he is feeling just like a prince just now himself, because due to whatever love and fame he has got, and he is in peace now. For this reason he is in peace, that you all are giving love and affection to the Sushant. He is feeling just like a prince. This is the card of the prince. This is the pigeon, and there's light is coming, and the pigeon is the symbol of peace and love and affection also. And judgment card has came out. That means he is showing that soon the judgment will be done and there will be the justice. Again the justice card has been the spirit is showing, and this card shows that soon this, whatever the war is going on of this justice, soon it will be finished. This is the card where the soldiers are going back, and they are going back to the home, and the war is almost finished. So this card shows that whatever the war, whatever the revolution is just now going on for the justice for the Sushant himself is making so much of hard work, and we all the Asarians are also working to get the justice. He wanted to say that keep on saying and shout for the justice, and he himself is also involved in this. So this is the card of justice, judgment, and this is the card that this shows that he wanted to say that soon the war will be, this revolution will be, this will be solved, and the who are the killers, whoever are the killers and murderers, they soon will get punishment. And this is card of the lady. This card earlier also, if you will see in the video, this card came out many times for the Ankita Lokhande. So this is of the girl which is in red dress. I generally a married type of woman. So this card shows that this lady is very helpful and very supportive, but just now he is messaging, I think, to Ankita Lokhande that someone wanted to get benefit from the Ankita, and the something wrong is going on between the two couples. I think the Vicky Jain and the Ankita Lokhande, something is wrong is going on, and the third person entry is showing. Earlier also in the video, it is showing that Vicky Jain and Ankita Lokhande's relationship has been hindered by some person. I don't know who he is, but some issues, and some issues are of some small fighting. It is showing in previous video, if you will see. So in between the Vicky and Ankita. So I don't know what she is showing in the media. She is showing that she is happy, but we should not involved in other person's family life. But it is showing that there are some issues between the two couples. So this spirit is saying that Ankita Lokhande is so helpful and supportive, very jolly nature, but due to what happens now, when someone person is very jolly and very supportive, helpful, many people come out to take advantage of that person. So just now Ankita is just facing this problem, and some third person involved between the Vicky Jain and Ankita, and keeping eye on between these two people happiness, whatever she is getting the happiness, someone is keeping an eye on that Ankita. So this card is showing, it is not a very good card, but it is shows the positive and negative both. So I think the positive thing is that the lady is very good, but she has been facing some problem due to third person. And this is the message for the Ankita. I think the message which I have came out in that video, it is very clear for all the viewers also that Sushant Singh Rajput mother is not so happy. He is very frustrated and feeling insult that he just till now he has not got the justice, and killers are just roaming here and there, and CBI is, we all know CBI is working very slowly, and I don't know what problem is going on. Many obstacles are coming because very big authorities and very big people are involved in this case. That's why, but still he will win. This is the card of the win, victory. Still he is also, the spirit is also working for it to get the justice, to get the judgment, and soon he will solve the problem by himself, because some problems are there which we human beings cannot solve actually, but the spirit can do it, because he is just like an angel just now, Sushant Singh Rajput. So the angels are very powerful, they can do anything. So these cards, the clear message is that he will take birth as a boy, a very topmost card, very topmost card, very positive card. He will take birth as a rebirth as a boy, and he is happy that you all showing love and affection for the Sushant, and he is just feeling like a prince. And message for the Ankita also. And I think because earlier also this card has came out of lady with the red dress showing the Ankita Lokhande, and I will consider, because I have no spirit box here, that's why it is very tough to if I have a spirit box, then spirit can speak up, because I have only the cards to get the message, and usually I connect to the spirit through this method, and through cards only we can see the message. I can see only the message through cards only. I have no spirit box. That's why I can consider this as Ankita Lokhande, and this is the clear message, because this card also came out earlier for the Ankita, and this lady card is coming out, that is a motherly card. This is a mother type of card, and this shows that he is with mother, and mother is very frustrated, very feeling very insult, and Sushant is very frustrated that he is not getting justice, a proper justice, and soon he will fight for it, and we all will see that he will get the justice. I have taken out the date also. In this In this year, in the November month only, in 2021, it is showing in the first week of the November only we will see that justice will be done, and the main killer will slowly will get the punishment by the natural. Nature means that he will get some disease or something like that from the spirit. If you not if he will, that person will not be catched through the police, then he will be caught from the spirit, because Sushant is just like angel just now, and he will take rebirth when the killers will be finished totally. And this is the only message. I think the message is very clear, and I have converted this video in English on your demand. Thank you for watching my video.